So here we come back to the second part of the chapter number 8, and that is the wells. In the previous video, you have seen about the prairies. Now we will be studying the 3 points under that is the climate, the flora, fauna, and the people. So let's start with the wells. Now Wales is situated in South Africa, bounded by, on the east, the Kalahari, on the east it has the Drakensberg mountain, and on the west it has the Kalahari desert. Now when we talk about the Drakensberg mountain and the Kalahari desert, the veld is having a very poor soil value because it is near the Kalahari desert, and as on one side it has on the side where is the ocean, Indian Ocean, it has the Drakensberg mountain. Okay, and that mountain acts as a barrier for the rain-bearing winds and makes the veld a rain shadow area. I have already taught you what is a rain shadow area. And because of the influence of the Kalahari desert, the soil is very poor. Now when we study about the wells, the temperatures are extremes, like it has totally different kind of temperature because it lies in the southern hemisphere. Now here the coldest month is July. The winters are cool and dry. The summers are hot, and it has rainfall. It has rainfall only in summers, and if there is less rainfall, the area can become like it has a drought condition. It can become dry and nothing can be grown. Now the welds are also like, it has two different types. It has a high weld and it has a low weld. The high weld is a plateau area and the low weld is the lowland. Now this is what is about the climate. Now we come to flora and fauna. Now when we talk about flora and fauna, the vegetation is very sparse. As I said, the soil is very poor in condition. Grasses dominate, as it is a grassland. Grasses dominate this region. The red grass grow in the bush wells, and the high wells like acacia and marula are being seen growing in this region. The animals are primarily lions, leopards, cheetah, kudu. All these are the animals that are found in the wells. The next is about the people. Now when we talk about the people of the wells, the main occupation here again is rearing and mining, not agriculture basically, as the soil is not that fertile as we talked about in prairies. So the soil is not fertile, so there is very less agriculture. Basically what they grow wheat, barley, maize, oats, potatoes, all these are grown in this region. Cash crops like tobacco, sugarcane and cotton are also grown in this region. Now sheep rearing. Sheep rearing is the most important occupation of this region. Now they breed a very high variety of sheep. From there, that is the merino sheep. Merino, M-E-R-I-N-O, merino sheep. From there, the wool of the merino sheep is very warm and it is very light and expensive too. So the sheep rearing becomes one of the most important occupation of the people. Now dairy farming, they rear sheep, goats, so their dairy farm is another occupation, and they produce cheese, butter, all the dairy products they produce. They have big ranches also for breeding the sheep. Now the veld has a rich reserves of mineral, iron and steel. And one more important thing, that is diamonds. Diamonds are found in South Africa. Okay, now gold and diamond, not only diamonds but gold also. Now gold and diamond mining and major occupation of the people. Johannesburg is known for being the gold capital of the world, and Kimberley is famous for its diamond mines. The best of diamond in the world are found in this place. Now, mining of gold and diamond in Africa has established trade ties with the world. You know, the trade. Now, there is a larger amount of gold and diamonds being mined here. So they are being connected with the whole world for trade, for exports and imports of different things, especially the exports of diamond and gold. So they have become very, the technological wise, or their railways, roadways and airways are totally connected and interlinked with the different places in the world, and which makes it a well-developed country. So here we come to the end of our unit, and I hope you have understood the chapter well, and I will be giving you the answers afterwards. Thank you, girls.